here is our last little video for today, and you can have a rest after that. I'll give you your homework. Well, your homework will be on Connect, if not already given to you. I've already shown you what or how to identify if two linear equations are parallel to each other, or how to identify if two linear equations are perpendicular to each other. But it's not always the case that they will be either or, one of them. So you might have two equations which do cross each other, therefore they're not parallel, but it doesn't mean they have to meet at right angles. So you'd want to use the test with both of them. So let's use this example here. We have 3x plus 2y equals minus 5. Okay, and so I'm going to rearrange this and subtract 3x to both sides. I will have 2y equals minus 5 minus 3x. And then the last thing is I want to get rid of the 2 and divide both sides by 2. So y equals minus 3 over 2x minus 5 over 2. Okay, you can rearrange this to negative 1.5 or this to negative 2.5. That is totally fine. Okay, the gradient therefore is minus 3 over 2. I want to compare this equation to x minus y equals 2. Okay, so just to rearrange the equation, I would like to add y to both sides because this is negative. I want to change it to positive. So add y, I will have y plus 2 equals x. Alright, and then I'd want to subtract 2 from both sides, leaving, so I'll have y equals x minus 2. Now just because the y is on the right hand side, I'll just swap them around, so y equals x minus 2. It's just the same thing. Okay, now I have this equation that meets this pattern, y equals mx plus minus c. Our gradient, okay, even though there's no number here, this is just a single x, so your gradient is 1. Okay, so this one is minus 3 over 2, and this one is a 1. And we can definitely say that minus 3 over 2 is not the same as 1. Therefore, these lines are not parallel. Okay, now let's do the test where you multiply the two gradients and you can identify whether they are perpendicular or not. So minus 3 over 2 times 1, we can just put it over 1, that will equal minus 3 over 2. And because the answer is not minus 1, therefore the lines are not perpendicular. Okay, so hopefully that helps you guys for today. I will have the homework set for you, and feel free to view this video as many times as possible to just get the gist of what's being taught, and hopefully there aren't any problems. Use direct messages, use the forum, email me, whatever you need if you're still stuck. Okay, see you later.